Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and in front of me we have the Nasdaq 100 futures chart. Today's trading session, we're trading in the green after having two negative days. That was on Monday and Tuesday, where we traded all the way from 14,030 points all the way down to roughly 13,700. So today we've seen a bounce in the market. I mentioned in previous videos that what we're doing here is actually a very bullish sign. We're causing a platform just below all-time highs up at 14,000, and we're just waiting for that catalyst to give us that next shot towards the upside. Probably going to go and target 14,250 to 14,500. It's earnings season, so as of next week, we have some of the big FANG names. We had Netflix, in fact, actually report earnings last night. However, it failed. It disappointed on the subscription side of things. I think there was only 3.8 million new subscribers, where analysts were looking for roughly 6 million new subscribers in the previous quarter. But this is to be expected. People, instead of just sitting at home watching TV, they're probably fed up of doing that now. So they're probably going to want to go out and spend money, go on holidays, go to restaurants with their friends as the economy starts to reopen. But as I mentioned, we've got the other FANG stocks which are reporting earnings next week. We're going to have Google and Facebook. I'm anticipating fantastic numbers, as companies will be investing rather heavily now to advertise, as especially the travel industry. You'll see the airlines with big marketing budgets this time around, because they're wanting to try and market their products to the right people, as people have got a lot of money saved up right now. I think I mentioned in a video last week that it's now expected that Americans alone have $3 trillion more money saved up in their bank accounts than they did prior to the US pandemic last March. So that just goes to show that people do have money in their pockets right now, despite the massive unemployment numbers. But for those who are employed, they do have money to spend, as they've just been forced to save pretty much the whole year with everything being closed. So I think we go to 14,000 before the end of the week, and then going into next week, I think that's when we try and break out towards the upside, towards 14,250. If you're currently shorting this market, I would reconsider your position. As I mentioned yesterday, if you're shorting the Nasdaq, that means you're pretty much betting against the US economy, and that's a great way to lose money. So I am a buyer here. 14,000 is my target going into the end of the week. RSI is just at 60 now, so we have plenty of upside territory to rally here. I'm a buyer.